Afternoon all, nice sunny day in MCCAULEY. Going to go around this lovely April 23 MCCAULEY EU44. Take around some of the features with it and how these trailers I think are evolving every time they get a new model out. So let's go around it. So as I was saying, I'm a big fan of these trailers. I've been for many years. I think your kit may be moving up to 25 tonne. I think this is a good trailer to have. They're very, very lightweight, you know, but they are strong. Haven't seen one broken yet, and you know they're coming up with good ideas all the time. This trailer has been well spec'd though. She has extra lashing points on it, outrigger bores with a rear steer and flip toe ramps. Toolbox at the front. It's a good box, but it's a bit kind of agriculture-y kind of thing. I'm not a big fan of it. MCCAULEY trailers, come on, get your act together. So we'll go around about it. The man has done very little work with it. I think he's carried about 2 or 3 loads with it and the job fell through. So it has now come to us. Lashing points in the deck. Lashing points on the side. Lashing points in the chassis. Up-on ramp in the neck. Outriggers. We are all in it. SAF running gear. Drum brakes. Say it again. I actually like this as well. How they put a plate behind that to stop it all getting that marked and starting it to rust. A slight bit of paint damage there. Nothing to worry about, wouldn't you say? Said rear steer on this trailer. Automatic as well. White marker boards here. Flip toe and side shift ramps. Reversal lamps on both sides. Stiff legs. Toolbox in there. I would say the trailer is, I think it's as fresh a trailer you're going to get. It's 86 months old now. As I say, big fan of these trailers, always have been. As I said, I think they've got the right idea and they're on the right path with them. There's loads of them about now for sale. They've got good paint work now as well. You know, they really look the part. I think they've come away from that kind of agricultural look to a proper loader look. I think they generally are competing up next to your Kings and stuff now. Your GTS 44. Lose the box right now. I'm not a big fan of that. Or make a nice. I think maybe make a nicer box would be better. But yeah, good trailer. This, well impressed. This will be on our website today with prices, plenty of pictures, more full spec run sheet and everything with it. So yeah, get a look at GBT Sales and see what you can do. Cheers.